blessings from our dear God. Happy birthday, God.
Happy birthday, Sister Kat. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 na! Happy birthday, Sister Kat! We love you!
Hi, sister! Happy birthday! Thank you for coming into our lives, and God bless you, and God may always protect you wherever you are. Wherever
Happy
He
birthday,
send you.
Sister Kat.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Sister Kat. Happy birthday. I take this opportunity to give thanks on you because you're helping my cousin Sebedan. Even though that she passed away, I know she's happy right now. So on behalf of Sebedan family, thank you so much, and happy birthday, Sister Kat.